Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Topical Talks for a new tutorial video. And in this video,
we will learn how to block a player in League of Legends. In order to block a player in League of Legends, firstly open up your League of Legends client. From here, if the player you want to block is in your friends list, so you need to hover over that friend. For instance, if I want to block this friend, I'll just right click on his profile. From here, just click on the block button and my friend will be blocked. We cannot message anymore and we cannot interact with each other anymore, even in game. And if you want to block someone from your game that you played recently, all you need to do is head to your profile tab. From here, go to your match history. Now find the match you want to block the player from. So if I select this match, and if the player is this one, so I'll just right click on it, then click on the block button. So it works the same way. You'll be blocked. We cannot message or interact anymore. So this is how you can easily block players in League of Legends.
thank you again for watching the video. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next video.